Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to discuss how to check your temperature gauge to see if it's working or not in your vehicle. In this case, we're working on a 72 Ford Bronco with a 302 and a single instrument cluster. And it will work, this test will work on other vehicles as well. You just kind of have to follow the same kind of guidelines to do so. So let's get to it. Right in here. Oh, let's do that. Do some work. You want to go ahead and put good battery. All right, so I have you guys set up here so we can go over this. So here's the Ford 302. And in this vehicle here, I have my fuel and line in the way, but right back here, there is a sensor. It's a temperature sensor that goes into your engine. And then there's a wire that sits on top. What you want to do is you want to pop that wire off and you'll have it here like this. You want to get yourself a set of like banana clips. You want to connect the banana clip inside there like this. And then you want to ground it off. In this case, I'm just going to ground it right to the bolt of my exhaust, like so. And then from there, we're going to move into the vehicle. Okay, so at this point, you still want to have your battery hooked up. You have the banana clip now connected to the wire that goes from your temperature gauge inside your vehicle to the temperature sensor that's attached to your motor. And then what you want to do at that point is you want to make sure it's grounded fine, which it will be at the exhaust bolt because it goes right into the engine block. It'll be grounded out. Then from there, you want to go inside your vehicle and you want to turn the key over to accessory, which we're going to do right now. Okay, so here's my key. Going to turn it over to accessory. And when I do, my gauge here will go all the way up if the gauge is good. There we go. And then go ahead and just turn it right back off. And the gauge will start to go back down. Just like so. If you guys run into that, that means your gauge is working, which means that if your temperature gauge is not working while you're driving, it means that your sensor is bad and you need to replace it. Or more likely, that's the reason. It's usually about 10 bucks at your local auto parts store. You go in there, tell them what motor you have, that you need a temperature sensor, and you can go from there. And mine is, gauge is good, and so everything's great. All right, so hopefully that helps you out as far as for testing your gauge inside your vehicle. Usually works like on just an older vehicle like this. And hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Keep in mind, this is just a hobbyist that enjoys working on vehicles on the weekend kind of thing, a little weekend warrior type work. And, you know, I just learn from my mistakes, learn from my successes. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you again for watching this video. And take care.